Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Pip's Allotment. Just going in the greenhouse now. It's been quite a while, hasn't it? Well, there's a reason for that. I've been really busy working from home and things like that. And on the weekends I've actually been doing some landscaping in the back garden. So we've have to move some massive conifers out the way, so we have to get someone in to get them out, and the plan is to get bark down, and we're putting a swing set down there for Harry, so you know, because of the lockdown and things, so it's been hard to do, but I've done most of it myself, so that's why. So I've not really been down, and if I've been down I haven't had a chance to record. So just a quick update. I'm just going to give you a quick look at the greenhouse and a quick look at what's, I can't remember what's different to the last video, to be honest with you, so I'm just going to do a quick walk around. So here's everything. I've just potted some of these. I've put the curly kale out there. I've put 4 out. They're the cabbages I've just got as for spare, just in case them ones die back. Pumpkins growing really well. I think these are pumpkins, aren't they? Yep, are they? Pumpkins, courgettes. There's some flowers there, growing some flowers. That's got to be the broccoli, so I've left some room for the broccoli in there. The problem I've got is the kohlrabi, which I've put outside, which is looking quite strong as well. So I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to put that out and then take that out and then put the broccoli in later on in the season. I don't know. But our squash is doing better. Some of them are coming up now. Yeah, some of them are coming up, so that's good. 2 sprouts left. I took the sprouts out and I've just replanted them because they were way stronger, the ones in here. I don't know if that frost knocked them ones back out there. 2 kales left. They're the ones that I've transplanted. I've just put 2 of them out. Runner beans are looking fantastic. So actually these are the 6 I did first, and these ones are catching up. So it just goes to show, doesn't it? I mean, these ones, not even. So yeah, once all of them are out, I'll probably get the 6 strongest ones and put them out and just get them out. I'll have to wait and see. Marigolds looking really good, probably better put them out soon. Leeks are looking good. Might be able to split some more of them up, have them for the back garden. Radishes. Oh wow, they're starting to fatten up, so I'm making sure I'm watering them, get them out, give loads of room for the tomatoes. Now the tomatoes, I just keep pinching these out. So if you've never grown garden tomatoes before, any side shoots you need to pinch out. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I've done them, you know, normally I did them the other day, like there's one there, that's too small to get. Pepper plant. Now this pepper plant is actually looking quite healthy and nice. Just put some of that soil in there to cover the roots a bit. These sunflowers went crazy. I'll have to do them before I go. One of the things I did do was put the peas out, which I'll show you. Now the ones that I grew in the ground got it, and when I looked at what was eating them, it was the pea weevil, which doesn't actually affect them apparently. It stunts the growth a little bit at the start, but it shouldn't affect the crop. Flower. That one's got flowers on. We've got flowers, that's good news. Now this needs doing, so this is tomorrow's job, because I was going to do it today. That's tomorrow's job, weed all that. Right. One thing I did notice is, can you see there? Potato. This bed, which is going to be the squash bed, I've actually got a rotivator for, so I thought, well, why not check it out, see what it's like. So that'll be interesting. Basically, all of these have just been replanted. So there's the four sprouts there. We've got the 4 kales in there. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Obviously 9 cabbages, I don't know why I was counting there. Which leaves space for the broccoli. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Tulips have all come out really nice. And purple ones have just come out. A couple of the tulips have come out here. And they look really nice as well. Just a bit patchy up here because it was end of season sown, or start of season sown, wasn't it? I'm surprised they even come up at all. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next year. But I mean, all of them have really look nice. There's the peas. So before we go on to the peas, I'll just show you these trees. Raspberries are coming through. They're the ones someone left off for us. Now out of the 4 Tesco ones, only 2 are grown, I think. I don't think they're ever going to come. So that's interesting. The blueberry tree looks nice. I think they're little blue like flowers. Now these here are the peas. You can see little U-shaped cuts on the leaves. That's actually the weevil. It shouldn't affect it too much. And they're the ones I did in the toilet rolls. So much better, if you ask me, to be honest with you. Just put 3 chard in there that I found in the greenhouse. Sunflowers. Growing well. And that's about it. Rhubarb. You're not going to see much action from that, to be fair, this year. Gooseberries are just stuck there. That's interesting, really. They've not really moved. That one died, and that one got caught a bit, and just, yeah. So yeah, guys. The other news is I got a bike, so I'm actually biking down here now. So it's a lot better. It takes like 7 minutes each way. So, right guys, I'll try and do some more updates, but I'm still busy. I am still busy with the back garden, and I wasn't going to do any recording today, but I'm glad I got something done for you, so just to get you a little update, and obviously to keep myself updated as well, because that's why I started this. So yeah, I mean, the only ones are the beetroot's coming through as well. I've got beetroot here to put out. Oh, sweet corn. Sweet corn's coming through. Now, this is a story about the cucumber as well. It's not that bad of a story. They're just radishes. So the story goes, the cucumber died, didn't it? It was way too early to put it out. It's round here. Lesson learned. So I sowed some more seeds, and for some reason they just didn't. They grew and then they just fizzled out. I don't know if they're notoriously hard to grow or what, but they weren't left to get too dry, they weren't too soggy, they got about that big and then they just died off. Like the true leaf come out and then that was it. I don't know whether it was just a hot day and it was shining through the window and it like burnt the leaves. But my original sowings, I obviously planted one there and then it died, and then I put the other one in and then that died. But I gave one to my mother-in-law. Now she's got it in a house in the back window and there's flowers on it and everything now. It's like well ahead. So we were originally she was gonna give us it back and say, oh, they like put it in your greenhouse, and then but she showed us the picture and I was like, no, it's growing fantastic there, just leave it. And we'll just have some we'll just share some of the crop from it, because obviously Harry was interested in the cucumber, so it's worked out quite well. So maybe one for next year. A lesson learnt there. But I'm happy with the tomato plants. And it's totally fine now to have these in here. There's no worry about these plants. So that's good. I'm happy with that. And the pepper plant seems to be getting stronger. So yeah, I'm quite happy. So yeah, cheers guys. Oh yeah, and Charlotte come down and she put the heart on the shed. But yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for subscribing, and I really do appreciate when you like the videos and things like that, because I think it helps spread the word and it recommends the content to other people. So if you are watching and you're enjoying the videos, make sure you hit that like button, and obviously if you haven't subscribed yet, give us a subscribe, and that's awesome. We're over 200 subscribers now, so it's amazing really. I never thought I'd get this many this fast, to be fair. But it's good, it means people are enjoying the content. So guys, I'll catch you later. Take care and stay safe.